Hello friends, today we will discuss on second category of functions, which are functions with argument and no return value. So in the previous video you saw how do we create a function which has no argument and no return value. Here we will have arguments but there will be no return value. So the function declaration will be like void, then add, and in parenthesis we will write int comma int and a semicolon. So this function will accept two values from function calling, but this function will not return anything to the calling function. So let's create a program to sum two numbers using the functions with arguments but no return value. So let's start. Hash include stdio dot h, then hash include conio dot h. Okay, then I will write void add, then int comma int semicolon, then void main. Okay, here I will write int a comma b, then I will write printf enter two numbers /n. Okay, then scanf %d %d. Okay, then store the value at the address of A and at the address of B. Okay, now I will call the function and I will pass the two values which will be given to the function definition. So I will write add, then in the parenthesis I will write A comma B, then a semicolon, and then I will write get ch. Okay, now here in this program calling function is sending two values. Okay, so in the function it will receive two values and then summation will be done using those values. So in function definition you will write void, then add, and in parenthesis you will write int a comma int b, then here you will declare a variable sum. Okay, then sum will get a plus b, then I will write printf then addition is %d /n, then here I will write sum variable. Okay, so in this definition it is receiving two values from the calling function, and then they are added up in the sum variable and result is shown to the user and no value is returned back. So this was the example of function with argument and no return value. Previously we have created the same program using function with no argument and no return value. After this we will create the same program using function with no argument but return value, and then the same program with function with argument and return value. So now let's test the program, save it and run the program. Okay, enter two values 20 and 30. Okay, wait, 20 and 30. Okay, here we are getting the sum. So that's all for today. I see you in the next video class. Thank you.